Hello and welcome to today's festive craft session. We are exploring the world of fleece, handmade, handcrafted decoration, X-Mix decorations ideas, cozy and warm, and absolutely perfect for handmade holiday decor. Whether you are a DIY, a creative enthusiast and hobbyist, or someone looking to grow a handmade business, this video will give you both crafting inspiration and business tips. So let's have a look, watch till the end. Fleece is soft, durable and budget friendly. Unlike some fabrics, it doesn't fray easily, which makes it perfect for no-sew projects. Its fluffy, cozy texture instantly brings holiday warmth to any room. You can use fleece for ornaments, stockings, garlands, pillows, and even X-Mix free skirts. Let's look at some creative fleece ideas. For X-Mix, fleece stockings personalizable with names, buttons, or sequins. No sew fleece garlands, simply cut strips and tie them together in festive colors. Fleece Christmas pillows, red and white covers shaped like a star or candy cans. Mini fleece ornaments, snowmen, Santa, or tiny trees to hang on the X-Mix trees. Fleece wreath cut strips of green fleece tie around a ring base and decorate with ribbons. Now, here are some tips for your fleece craft look professional. Use sharp fabric scissors or a rotary cutter for clean edges. Layer fleece with felt or cotton things to give extra strength. Add details with embroidery, fabric, paint, or hot glue, some embroidered patterns, some threads. Stick to a holiday color palette, classic red, green, white, or rustic neutrals for a modern vibe. If you are making no-sew projects, secure knots tightly so they stay in shape for years. Every handcrafted fleece decoration tells a story. It carries your time, your creativity, and your love for the season. When someone receives a handmade fleece ornament, they are not just receiving fabric, they are receiving a piece of warmth, care, and tradition. That emotional connection is what makes handmade so powerful. Now let's talk business. If you are crafting fleece decorations, here are some ways to grow. Sell sets like stocking, garlands, ornaments as family packs. Personalization. I'll talk about personalization. Offer custom names or initials on stockings and pillows. Personalized item always sells better. Sell better. Photography matters. Take bright, cozy photos of your fleece crafts in a festive setting. Use social media. Show behind the scenes clips of cutting, tying, or decorating fleece. These process videos build trust and interest. So this is a good line, na? Build trust and interest. Fair pricing. Add up material cost, add time, add a small profit margin. Don't undersell your effort. Local partnership. Collaborate with gift shops, cafes, or online craft stores to display your fleece items. Handmade fleece decorations are affordable to make, quick to produce, and very marketable. Perfect for holiday season. So there you have it. Cozy, creative, and profitable fleece Christmas decoration ideas, from simple no-sew ornaments to full festive collections. Fleece offers endless possibility for both fun and business. This season, let your creativity shine and maybe even turn it into a small business opportunity. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ideas. And remember, handmade is heart made. Do you agree that handmade is heart made? So it is a perfect for our viewers who is crafting more and more designs. I wish may your life fulfilled with happiness, enjoyment, and blessing. So bless you all wherever you are. May your life remain happiness, and be kind, be careful, spread happiness, spread easiest thing. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Leave your comment in the comment section, and we are waiting for your response. Have a very nice and beautiful